Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got a 2013 Toyota Sequoia and I'm going to show you 5 hidden features. Now don't forget, this generation runs from 2007 all the way to 2021. So these hidden features should be on all of those vehicles. All right, number 1, first and foremost, let's say it's a very hot day and you want to open your windows and the sunroof. So all you're going to do is turn to the unlock, hold it down, and while you're holding it down, both the front windows and the moonroof will open. And you could leave it open, let the hot air go out. I'm assuming that's what this feature is for. And then what you can do is lock it and just hold it locked, and the reverse will happen. Both windows will go up, and there you go, the moonroof is being closed. All right, here's the second hidden feature and my favorite, this little button right here. When your headlights are on, that is a headlight washer. Yes, a headlight washer. Check it out. Give us that one more time. I mean, how hilarious is that? Let's see that in slow motion. Okay, let's go to the back seat for our third hidden feature. This one's not quite as exciting as the headlight water squirters, but there are some cup holders down here, and I feel like a lot of people probably don't know about those. We hardly ever use them, but there they are in the back seat, conveniently located so your toddlers can kick your drinks all over the place. More hidden features. So your third row of seats has these buttons right over here, and this will make the back seats go up and down. There they are, starting to go up. And if you look on the, if we open the back door right here, there's another set of these buttons. It's located right there. See these, whoops. See these right back there? Those are the same buttons. So you can go up, down, and you can actually make the back seat go back a little bit. Very cool. Your fourth hidden feature is sort of a good news, bad news one. When you get a flat tire, you have a full-size spare that sits underneath the truck right here, but how do you get to it? And I'll tell you what, when I took this to Costco, they couldn't even figure it out. I had to do it for them. You take this cap off right here, and then underneath there, you use these tools that are kind of back in under here. Boom. And that tool sticks into this hole and lowers this tire back here. Okay, the fifth and final hidden feature has to do with the headlights. Hey, if you turn your headlights, this little switch, instead of turning them on, if you just turn it to auto, and now you can set it and forget it and never have to worry about turning on your headlights again. They'll turn on during the night, and then they'll actually have a front running light, which I can show you right now. So you'll have these two front orange kind of runner lights during the day, and your headlights will come on at night. But if you leave it in auto, you kind of set it and forget it. You won't have to mess with that again. Ooh, I just came up with another hidden feature on here. You're gonna get 6. So check it out, this back window that goes down. There's a button on the inside of the vehicle to make the window go down, but also on the outside of the vehicle. If you put your key in right here, if you turn it to the unlock position and hold it there, the window goes down. And if you turn the key the other direction and hold it in the lock, then the window will go up. And hey friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, 5 hidden features on the 2013 Toyota Sequoia. Also, I have a review on this as well, and a bunch of Tundra and other Toyota videos. So do me a favor, like this video, then subscribe, then go check out the playlist, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.